There was a time when the gods were losing. Heaven had fallen. The skies were no longer safe. And the one who caused it laughed at the idea that a woman could ever defeat him. That was his mistake. Welcome to Cammy the Story Teller. This is the story of Durga, the goddess who defeated the demon no god could kill. There was once a powerful asura named Mahishasura. He was not just strong. He was ambitious. Mahishasura performed severe penance and pleased Lord Brahma. When Brahma appeared, he asked for something clever. He did not ask to be immortal. He asked for protection in a smarter way. He requested that no man and no god could kill him. And because he believed women were weak, he did not include them. Brahma granted the boon. That one decision would shape history. With his new power, Mahishasura attacked the heavens. He defeated Indra. He overpowered celestial warriors. He took control of Swarga. The gods retreated. Humiliated. Angry. Powerless. No weapon worked. No strategy succeeded. Because the boon protected him. The defeated gods gathered. Vishnu, Shiva, Brahma, and the others. They were searching for a solution. And from their combined anger, frustration, and divine energy, something extraordinary happened. Light burst from their bodies. That light joined together. And from that blinding power emerged a woman. She was radiant and unshakable. Every god offered her a weapon. Shiva gave his trident. Vishnu gave his discus. Varuna gave a conch. Indra gave his thunderbolt. Himalaya gave her a lion as her mount. She was not created to be rescued. She was created to fight. That was Durga. Not born from weakness. Not summoned as a last resort. She was concentrated SHAKTI, formed for one purpose. To restore balance. She mounted a roaring lion. Not because she needed help, but because her presence demanded majesty. Durga did not rush into battle. She walked toward it. Calm. Certain. The demon laughs. When Mahishasura saw her, he laughed. A woman. He underestimated her immediately. That arrogance would cost him everything. The war lasted 9 days. Mahishasura changed forms. Buffalo, lion, elephant, warrior. He tried strength. He tried illusion. He tried rage. Durga did not panic. She fought with calm precision. Her lion roared across the battlefield. Her weapons struck with divine accuracy. On the 10th day, as Mahishasura charged in his buffalo form, she leapt forward. She pinned him down. And with her trident, she ended him. That day became Vijayadashami, the day of victory. Durga is not just a warrior goddess. She represents strength without cruelty, power without arrogance, justice without hesitation. She is Shakti in action. As Parvati, Shakti showed endurance. As Durga, she showed assertion. Mahishasura's greatest weakness was not strength. It was underestimation. He believed power only looked one way. Durga proved him wrong. That is why her story is celebrated during Navratri. 9 nights of remembering that power can rise from where pride least expects it. When heaven fell, the gods did not send another god. They sent her. And she did not just restore balance. She redefined it. After victory, she did not claim the throne of heaven. She did not seek worship. She withdrew. Because Shakti does not cling to power. She manifests when needed. When injustice grows arrogant. When evil underestimates strength. When the world believes power belongs only to force. Durga rises. Not to dominate, but to restore. Durga is Shakti in active defense. She is courage when fear spreads. She is protection when chaos rises. She is the reminder that compassion has boundaries. And when those boundaries are crossed, strength answers. Thank you for listening to Cammy the Story Teller. If you enjoyed the story of Goddess Durga, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting stories.